This project is real-time fire detection using YOLO and Flash framework. Now I am showing the running process of this project. First I copy my file path and compile on Anaconda prompt. Here running command is streamlit run fire detection.py. Now localhost is run on Chrome. This is my home page. In home page it have some images. And it have three features: detect on image, detect on videos, and last one is live detection. Now I am showing the first feature, detect on image. First I upload one pictures from dataset, and this is my original image, and that is my detected image. Here fire is detected inside the boundary box, and now I upload one video, and here it is the detected videos. So next one is detect on webcam. So he can change the content threshold. So now webcam is on. Now I am showing the fire image on the webcam. It's spread it correctly. So in that webcam you just detect the fire with accuracy. In that way we can find the fires on the webcam. If the fire is detected, it's automatically send one alert message through the mail. Now I am showing the mail, and this is the emergency alert mail. In that mail it has some message: fire is detected, please respond immediately. And it's have locations and timing also, and it's have one attachment. In that attachment it have fire images. In that way we can find the fires in real time. Thank you for watching.